All right, guys. So if you want to create a channel, not a new YouTube, but create a channel under your YouTube page, this is what you do. First of all, you go to this icon you're seeing here, you scroll down and go to your settings. When you open your settings, you see this thing you're seeing here, accounts right here. So what you do is you click on add or manage your channels. Click on add or manage your channels. When you click on that option, just give it a second to load. Then you just click here, voila, create a channel. Once you click this create a channel, you go ahead and set up your channel. You can name it things I love to do. You understand? Then this the YouTube algorithm will just create a username handle for you. You can edit it, you can tweak it if you want, whatever works for you. But you can just leave it the way YouTube has created it for you. I don't know, but either way, this is how you create a channel. So once